Looking for a mounting solution that holds your Humminbird SOLIX Series Fishfinder firmly in place without hassle? The Humminbird Reinforced In-Dash Mounting Kit offers exactly that, a reliable, easy-to-install option designed specifically for in-dash setups. If you want your Fishfinder to stay secure and look clean, this kit is worth a look. I've tested this mounting kit myself, and what stands out is how sturdy and well-built it feels. Unlike cheaper mounts that can wobble or wear out, this one is solid enough to handle rough waters without a second thought. It comes with all the hardware you need and even includes a template to guide your installation. Whether you're mounting a SOLIX or a Helix 7 unit, the process is straightforward and leaves your console looking sleek and professional. What changes when you switch to this reinforced mount? You get peace of mind knowing your Fishfinder won't shift or loosen over time. It's simple but effective, eliminating the frustration of constant adjustments. Plus, the durability means it won't need replacing anytime soon, saving you money and effort down the road. If you value a clean, flush mount look and want something built to last, this kit fits the bill perfectly. If that's you, someone who demands quality and ease when installing your Fishfinder, this reinforced in-dash mounting kit is a smart choice. It's not the cheapest option out there, but the extra investment pays off with long-term reliability and a professional finish. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your setup and enjoy a rock-solid mount that stands up to the challenge.